Sitting for extended periods of time, such as driving as part of your job or working at a computer, can weaken the back muscles and stress the spinal discs or worsen pre-existing conditions. The most common posture a person adopts when sitting is to slouch. This places stress on the soft tissues, ligaments, and discs. Many of these routines can be done in the office or at home. We have included some progressions and modifications. Use these guidelines below to support your back. Your back will thank you for it. As always, seek the guidance of a medical professional before starting any exercise program. Remember to check back here for more videos in the series. Side bends. Starting from a standing position, keeping the chest open and the torso tall. Hold a pole above your head with hands wider than shoulders and shoulder blades pulling down. Bend to one side, trying to keep the body as straight as you can and hips squared to the front. Hold for 30 seconds. Aim to feel the stretch in the sides and lower back. Make sure to keep your arms straight and not to bend them. Return to the starting position and repeat to the opposite side. Repeat this whole sequence twice. Here's a modification. Start from a kneeling position to focus the stretch more. Lumbar knee hugs. Lie on your back and bring the knees into the chest. Wrap the arms around each shin and begin to move the legs and body in clockwise and then anti-clockwise circles for 30 seconds in each direction. Keep the movement small and controlled. You can either tuck your chin into your chest or rest the head on the floor. Repeat the whole sequence twice. Lumbar knee drops. Lie on your back and place your arms out to the side in line with the shoulders. Bring the knees together. Drop both knees to the left and hold for 5 seconds, and the same on the other side. It's important here to try and keep the opposite shoulder as close to the floor as possible. If this is difficult, then only bring your knees part way across your body, and this will help you to keep the shoulder on the floor. Another modification is to place some support under the legs on both sides, e.g. a rolled up blanket, cushion, foam roller, or yoga blocks will do the job. Repeat the 10 knee drops to the left and 10 to the right. Repeat the whole sequence twice. If you want a deeper stretch with the knees over to the side, extend your top leg and hold for 30 seconds. Good mornings. You can use a brush shaft when doing this stretch. Stand with the pole against your back, upper hand above the head on the pole, and the lower hand gripping the pole so that the knuckles are just above the tailbone. It's important to soften the knees as you tilt forward from the hips, pushing the hips back. The pole needs to stay in a fixed position, so just check your alignment. Tilt until a stretch is felt in the hamstrings. Make sure not to hunch over while doing this. Keep the bottom hand's knuckles against your tailbone. Repeat 15 tilts forward, then do the whole sequence again.